Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting essentials ready. Sign in, verify email, and polish your profile so people trust you. Once done, prepare assets, 1-3 clear hero images, a tight 50-70 character pitch, and a concise paragraph describing value. You also pick a launch window. Mornings in the US maximize exposure. Make sure to identify 3 target communities or makers who will support you on day 1. This gets you from idea to actionable launch-ready state without delay. Now post your product with precise category, tags, and an active demo link so discovery works. Attach hero images and any screenshots. Once live, immediately notify your email list, Twitter audience, and 3 niche communities to drive early traction. Then engage. Thank every supporter, answer questions, and pin the most useful replies. This builds momentum and improves visibility in ranking algorithms. Make sure to monitor activity continuously for the first 12 hours and adapt your replies to common feedback. To finish strong, keep amplifying. Post updates, share milestones, and highlight press or testimonials so interest sustains beyond day 1. Monitor analytics, views, upvotes, referral sources, and conversion, and tweak messaging if anything underperforms. If engagement is low, troubleshoot by refreshing visuals, tightening your pitch, reposting to targeted communities, and personally messaging high-value supporters. Finally, make sure to thank contributors publicly. That preserves relationships.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.